Yeah, man. Ja, man. Ja to the man. Straight through the motherfucking photon. Damn, that shit bright, boy. You can't even see shit. Hey, so I'm just right here on the beach. Oh, I got the fuck up out of that house. First things first. Hey, whack bitches trying to turn me into a motherfucking bitch boy, pig boy and shit. Fuck all that. I got the fire going. I'm cooking up. You dig that? Can you dig that? Yeah. We got the fucking carrots with the pumpkin, with the sweet potatoes, with the onions, with the peppers, with the... I need more wood in that bitch. God damn, boy, you burning fast, boy. Lay some more wood up in there. That thing hot. That thing hot. But, yeah, no, real shit. Like I said, straight to the point, it's gonna keep getting harder and harder for all the bitch boys to keep acting like, oh, you guys are conspiracy theorists. You guys are fucking crazy. Oh, they're the end of the world. Well, it's all gonna go back to normal. Yeah, okay, bitch. Okay. I keep trying to get motherfuckers to understand. This is where I'm coming from with it. You're disrespecting the planet. That all of this whack, fake, artificial lifestyle shit, everybody keep loving the, you know what I'm saying, with the money and the everything that's disconnecting you from fucking nature, from the real interaction with source. All of that shit's done for, bro. Because this is not what the realm was designed for in the first place. You bitch. You know what I'm saying? So everybody keep thinking about all this little whack ass, you know, yeah, all this artificial ass life shit, bro. It's all done, bro. It's all done. And the way the planet has been thoroughly disrespected to the point where the climate has even been altered. You know what I'm saying? And now it's altering back. You dig that? And that's just a part of the cycle, bro. We gonna hold up, let me yeah, the climate is letting you know, nigga, it's time to make a move, boy. But no, yeah, everybody gonna continue to lose their mind as long as they still entertaining this whole bullshit ass system. You still think you need to work 9 to 5s and all this dumb shit, you know what I'm saying? I mean, well, I ain't gonna say that. Cause I got a little landscaping and shit I be fucking with now and shit. Ain't no 9 to 5, but I can, you know what I'm saying, get some money sometimes. But I'm not saying you gotta be completely homeless like me and shit. Be all broke boy. But you just can't let your mind be in the system. You dig what I'm saying? And it's just extremely hard to not let your mind be in the system when you in the system. You dig that? So it's better to just let go of that shit. As far as ease, it'd be easy for you to just let go of that shit. But either way, I'm gonna start talking about all that, because you ain't gonna know what I'm talking about until it's calling you. You dig? That's another thing I'm realizing, is that everybody ain't meant to walk forward. You dig that? Some people just gotta fucking die out because they done wasted their motherfucking soul and shit. So it's like that's one of the videos I didn't post. I be making videos every motherfucking day. Well, not every day, but every week at least. And I don't ever post them because I be like, nah, I want to come back like this. I want to make videos like that. But bottom line is, I've come to the conclusion that I'm not out here even trying to reach back and keep, you know what I'm saying? Because honestly, the more I care about motherfuckers, to the point where I'm like, oh, let me try to help them see this. Let me help them see that. And it's like, it just be disrespectful. It breaks my heart a lot of times when people just, because this is the thing, you'll be talking to people who know eating fast food is dumbass, who know eating, like, participating in Jesus ass worship is fucking dumbass, like living through a fucking book is dumbass, you know what I'm saying? But then they'll comprehend what you're saying and be like, oh yeah, that makes sense, huh? And then the day go by and they be like, oh yeah, I'm into this. And then the next day, they just fall right back into program bitch boy shit. They back eating bullshit. But I don't know how many people I done hit up on Instagram, who I done talked to on the phone directly, who I done seen in person directly, and I tell them what the vibe is. They can perceive it and comprehend it. But then they just bounce right back to the bitch boy shit. I'm like, that shit breaks my motherfucking heart. Like, you basically disrespecting the fuck out of Source. You know what I'm saying? Like halfway choosing to start the interaction. And it's like, I'm actually fucking you up more than I'm fucking, like, you know what I'm saying, wasting my time. Well, I'm wasting my time and fucking you up. Because the universe don't like that shit. They don't like teeter-tottering ass motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be all in with the shit. So I'm about to stop doing people that disservice. That's a big disservice. Making people consciously choose to grab on and let go of this shit. That shit is for the birds, boy. That's how you get cast into the abyss. What the fuck? If you knew better, you do better. But that ain't the same as knowing. You know what I'm saying? Really acting. Not even acting, but being, existing. Anyway. Oh, I probably won't even post this one. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, to the man. Straight to the motherfucking full time, boy. We cooking up over there nice. Yeah.